That takedown was just the finish line. To see how it all started, we need to head back to Sacramento, California. It is May 2nd, 2025, and it all begins with a frantic call to 911.
911, what's the emergency, please?
Hi, I'm at the abandoned building by Old Sacramento.
Which abandoned building? Do you know the address?
I don't know the address. It's the only one right here between Rail Yard and fucking Old Sacramento.
Okay. Do you know the cross street near Rail Yard?
I Street.
Okay, what's going on?
I'm going to just take this for a long time. You're going to be up. You're not coming out.
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay, what's going on?
So he started knifing me. He tried to molest me.
Okay, I need you to tell me more of where you are because you're mapping near Jibboom Street. Does that sound
Johnny
right?
Balcorta.
Does that sound right?
Huh?
Are you near the I Street Bridge?
Near the I Street Bridge.
Okay. Can you tell me more about what's happening?
He tried to molest me and he threw a knife at me.
Who?
This guy, Johnny.
Do you know who he is? I mean, like, are you cousins? Like, friends?
It was my boyfriend, but he's like playing games.
Okay, did he hit you with the knife?
He stole my stab. He stole how stuff from my house. Yeah, it's just a messed up situation.
Is he still there?
Yes.
Okay, does he still have the knife?
No, he threw it at me.
Did it hit you?
No, but he has my BB gun. He tried to shoot me with it.
Okay, well, officers are going to want to make sure you're okay. I just want to make sure you don't need an ambulance or anything like that.
I don't need an ambulance, no.
Okay.
He has a warrant anyway. He needs to go to jail for his warrant.
Do you know what warrant it is?
For failure to register.
Do you know his last name?
Balcorta. You shouldn't do that to me. No, thinking he was going to play me into it. You don't do that to people. You don't steal people's steps.
The man in their sights is 37-year-old Johnny Balcorta. He is a wanted felon with a no-bail warrant, meaning he is not going back to prison without a fight. The police know that a suspect with nothing left to lose is the most dangerous kind of threat.
You better stop! Johnny, stop! I'm gonna take you to the ground! Stop! Drop the gun! Drop it! He's got a gun to his head. Johnny, stop! Johnny, stop!
Hey, people on the truck. He's continuing to get the gun to his head. We can't tell if it's a gun or not. I don't want the water.
Don't want the water. Send me drink off your after.
I can't see anything.
No. I see him.
He's still walking up gun. He's running. He's towards the water.
He's still walking down towards water.
Let's.
We do have information that
Can I give that advice?
I don't know if it's BB gun. I just listened to it's firearms. I don't see it.
I'm sure if it's a BB gun, I'm sure that.
Under the water. We've lost visual.
Northern contact team's going with announcements.
Sacramento Police Department. Any and all pedestrians, we need you to come up to the bike trail with your hands up at this point. Sac PD K-9. Johnny Balcorta, we know that you are hiding down there. We do not want to have to hurt you. We need you to come out with your hands up, nothing in your hand, and surrender. You are completely surrounded. Attention on the ground, attention on the ground. This is the Sacramento Police Department. Johnny Balcorta, you are completely surrounded. We know that you are hiding down by the riverbed. We need you to come out with your hands up, nothing in your hands, and surrender peacefully. Sacramento Police Department, K-9, Johnny Balcorta, if you decide to flee, we will send a dog. That dog will find you, and that dog will bite you. We do not want to have to hurt you. Come out now, surrender peacefully, with your hands up in the air, and walk up to the bike trail. Attention on the ground, this is the Sacramento Police Department. Any and all pedestrians, including fishermen, we need you to come up to the bike trail at this point with your hands up.
After nearly 1 hour of unsuccessful negotiations, the standoff reaches a breaking point. Johnny remains defiant. Truly a man with nothing left to lose is the most unpredictable threat. With no other options, the order is given. K-9 unit deploy.
I think the only and the we got running. People are running. People are running on the island over there. Heal.
Johnny Balcorta, we see you. You'll send the dog. Hands up right now.
Yep.
Johnny, hands up!
Stop.
Johnny, hands
No.
Need to get you right. Hey, he's got a gun! Drop the gun!
Alright, bye.
Where's the gun? I got the gun.
Heal.
Hey, give up, Johnny! Give me
Stop
hands!
fighting the dog.
Give me hands! Alright. Give me the other
Give me your other hand.
Right now!
You have to respect the heart on that police dog. Even when the suspect fought dirty, he stayed locked in and never backed down for a second. His tenacity gave the officers the window they needed to move in and take control of the situation.
Got a chest seal? Yeah. Yep. Everybody okay right here?
Let me find some blood. I got blood. He's got one in the arm. No. Get fire. Go through.
They're on their way.
I got.
Dogfight. That's Yep. No, I think it's just dogfight.
Okay. Anything else?
I don't see any in his chest yet. I just got this one heavy squirter in his arm.
After the scene was finally cleared, the truth came out. Those two weapons Johnny used to keep an entire police force at bay were nothing more than imitation firearms. When you think about it, he put his entire life on the line for a couple of props that could not even fire a shot. Johnny was treated for his injuries at a local hospital and then booked straight into the county jail. On top of his original felony warrant, he is now facing a stack of new charges, including resisting arrest and the serious crime of assaulting a police dog. This case really highlights the impossible position officers are put in. When someone points a weapon at you in the middle of a high-stress confrontation, you do not have the luxury of time to stop and wonder if it is a toy. You have to react to the threat as it appears to keep yourself and the public safe. The real takeaway here is how one bad choice can lead to a permanent mistake. Using a fake gun in a real standoff is a losing game every single time. So, what is your take on this? Do you think the department showed enough restraint by waiting over an hour? Or was this outcome unavoidable from the start? Let us know what you think in the comments below. We really want to hear your perspective. If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching Blue Line Raw, and we will see you at the next one.